Hello everyone, so here I'm going to show you how to increase the viewshed radius of Google Earth Pro desktop. I had a lot of hard time doing it and now I'm going to show you. So let's say I have a placement. So this is a placement. This is my current placement. And if I see the viewshed and show viewshed, the default viewshed radius is 5 kilometers, so I think it will show the 5 kilometer radius viewshed in 5 kilometers. So as you can see, the viewshed is very small, so it is the default value 5 kilometer. And now I want to so I found the article in the media. So here they did it in the Linux system. So in the Linux system they did it, but I'm using Windows and I wanted to do it. The step is very similar. You just have to follow it in Windows. So in Windows you just go to the local disk. You just go to the local disk, then program files, then Google Earth Pro, then Lion, then shaders. And here you will find a viewshed.h. So we open this viewshed.h, and there you go. Here you can see a value called kmx world space length. So this is actually controls the radius of the viewshed. And if we go to the medium, you can see that the amount of viewshed you want to control, I mean the radius you want to keep in meter, you have to divide it by 6378137, and then the value you will put in there. So let's say I want to set it, the current viewshed is 5 kilometer and I want to set it to 25 kilometers. So what I have to do is 25 kilometer, that means 25,000 meters divided by this value. So this is the value I'm gonna put on there. So there you go, and press Control S. Set. So I don't have an administrative control, and that's why you have to retry as admin, and then it will set. As you can see, now the file will be set as now the file will be set. So what you do is close the Google Earth and then open it here. Open it again. Now Google Earth finally came, and if I go to the same location, same exact location, and now if I turn show view option, now you can see. So now it changed to 25 kilometer, the value I have given to it. This is how you can change the radius of the view shed in Polar desktop. Thank you for being with me.